Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to this channel, you are most and highly welcome. Okay, so do you actually love your eyelashes and your eyebrows to look naturally full and very thick so you can actually shape it anyhow you want it? Do you actually admire people who have it? Well, you're it's okay you admire people, but you are going to be having yours when you're done watching this video. So watch it till the end, guys. Okay, so if you want to know what it comprises, continue watching and thumbs up the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share the video. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. Drop your curious questions on my website. Alright guys, let's dive into this video. Follow me on Instagram. To get a thick, strong and longer lashes, you're going to be needing the 100% processed aloe vera, or you can actually use the fresh aloe vera. Okay, anyone you can actually use it. It's very perfect because aloe vera is great for hair growth. It helps so much in increasing the length and the strength of the hair. Okay, alright, for this we're going to be pumping in 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel into this. Okay, so you're gonna be needing just a little bit of the vaseline so it can trigger the hair glands, increasing the hair length and also the volume. We're gonna be taking in just a little, so I'm gonna be taking half teaspoon of vaseline, which is petroleum jelly, which is very good and important for this remedy right now. Then you're going to be putting just a little bit of castor oil into the treatment to make it even better. Okay, you're going to be putting in this because it helps to leave the hair on the face thicker and it also increases it in length. Then we're going to be putting in the castor oil. Half teaspoon of castor oil will do the job, guys. So you're going to be needing a little bit of Fuller's Earth clay powder. This is one powder that helps so much in increasing the volume and the length of the hair, and it's also very ideal for the skin because it helps to remove wrinkles, fine lines, leaving you looking younger. And for the Fuller's Earth powder, we're going to be needing half tablespoon of that. Then we're just going to be mixing and stirring all of the wonderful ingredients together. Okay, so it can give us a very nice consistency. So mix it really well. And this is what we're gonna be having. Alright guys, so here's the treatment. Okay, and you're just gonna be taking it like this. Oops. And then you're gonna be applying it on your brow. Apply it so much, let it like cover the eyebrow. Okay, so you do the same thing with this side. Now after that, then you can as well just rub this on your lashes like this, as if you're rubbing mascara. Okay, so after you've rubbed this for some while, then you can actually leave it on your skin, let it sit there and walk. Okay, let it stay there and walk really nice. Okay, after that, then you can actually just go wash it off. Okay, just like this. Make sure you apply it on your lashes very well, and then when you're done, you can go. Okay, so you wash it off and then you clean it off like this to your eyes. All right, now the oil, which is the castor oil, is going to remain on your face, like on your eyebrows, so you can just allow it to sit there. Okay, for this treatment you can store it for some time. You can store it for approximately some weeks, like 2 weeks. Okay, and then you apply it every evening, okay, for the space of few days, and your eyebrow and eyelashes is gonna grow out really well. Okay, and you're just gonna be seeing the result. The result is gonna be so enormous. Alright guys, so that's it. Use this and you are gonna be having your dream lashes and your dream eyebrow. Okay, it's gonna be so, oh my god, it's gonna be so super full and thick and very healthy. Okay, so if you did enjoy watching the video, please don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please share this video and also don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. Okay, so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Follow me on Instagram and drop your curious questions on my website. Link will be at my comment section. Alright, I'll see you soon in my next video, and bye guys.